family. Welcome to Sweet Annie's Life. My name is Annie. If you are new to this channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thanks for being here. Today we just want to look at a very simple recipe, and hence it is the word simple in the recipe, which it is going to be simple hibiscus simple syrup. But before we start that, how have your week been going? I hope that you had a great Christmas preparation been going. I haven't been doing very much, but I want to get some recipes out there for you. Some Bajan recipes, some Bajan, some Bajan recipes for you. So today we are going to be looking at, as I said, the hibiscus simple syrup. And this is my hibiscus. This is 4 tablespoons of hibiscus.
And speaking of simple syrup, you did use your simple syrup in your recipe just now.
Yes, I made a rum punch recipe for you that I hope that y'all like that recipe. And what you can do is this simple syrup that we are looking at today, we can take like a dash of this syrup and put it on top of the rum punch, and it would be oh so pretty, oh so nice. So that's why I want you to do the hibiscus. But before we look at this actual recipe, what I would like y'all to do is to just check the description box for the rum punch recipe, and I know that y'all are going to love it. It is equal parts of water to sugar. Normally I don't use very much white sugar, but because we are making a simple syrup, which you should really use white sugar, I am using white sugar for this recipe. But if I was making like a normal syrup, which I will do the elderberry syrup for you, if I was doing that, I would probably use honey, and you know, because I'm just keeping that at hand for if you have a cold, whatever. So we are doing equal parts. So we're going to look at 2 cups of sugar. All right, so it is equal parts of sugar to water. So that's
1 cup.
All right.
That's another cup.
All right. So this is exactly 2 cups. I have exactly 2 cups here. So we are going to be looking at these 2 cups. So just follow me to the stove. All right. So I have my stove with the sugar, 2 cups of sugar. This is now 2 cups of the water. We are going to also put our hibiscus in here, because as I said, we're doing hibiscus simple syrup. So we are going to let that just come to a boil.
You can see the colors changing.
This is just going to come to a boil, and when the sugar is all melted, our syrup is finished. You're not leaving it on to cook too much. All right. Look at the awesome colors there already. All right, so our sugar is already dissolved. You can see it there. You can see this is a simple syrup. So we are going to strain it out now. And this is going to go in our bottles, and y'all will see how beautiful it is. You can see this light color. You can make it a little stronger if you want, but the reason I am not thinking is because I don't want it to burn or anything like that. I don't want the sugar to cook too much. So it's all done. Our hibiscus simple syrup is all done. And as you can see, it's still hot, but it has the beautiful color of the hibiscus. And I am, for the sake of time, I'm just going to pour some in the bottles for you, because normally I would leave it to let it cool and all that, but I'm just gonna pour some in the bottle for you so that you can see the beautiful color. And this is, I'm gonna leave this bottle open so that it can continue to cool, but look at that beautiful color. And as y'all know, I'm the type of person that does not throw anything. So the hibiscus still has, it's a little warm, the hibiscus still has some life left in it. So what I will do is to make some hibiscus drink with that. And I'm just gonna put on this. Actually, let me let this cool. Normally I would put on the cover and then you would put just, all right, let me do it because it's not that hot. You put just a dash of it in your rum punch. Voila! Beautiful. And it has changed the color of the rum punch, and there's a little too much ice in there, but I'm going to just leave off the cover so that it can continue to cool, and I will just put the other bit in this bottle, but I will let it cool first. I hope that y'all enjoyed that recipe. It was a short recipe, but as I always say, short and sweet. And you can use now your simple syrup for any juice that you desire. And it really took this to another level.
It smells really
There's
good.
A lot of ice. Yeah, you put it, yeah. All right, so I want to thank y'all for joining me again. And if you enjoyed this recipe, it would be a pleasure if you could just give me a like, a share, and subscribe. And send me a comment. I love it when y'all send me comments. It gives me some inspiration. So once again, have a great day and have an awesome week. And I'll be seeing you soon again. And as I always say, spread the love.